Alright, fellas, are you ready for part 4? Alright, let's do it right now.
Before, haven't you? Removing space guard and mass sinking now. Removing space guard and mass sinking now.
Got it.
Removing space guard and mass sinking now. Not bad. That's a bit steady where fast learners. Removing space guard and mass sinking now. Now we have to restart the entire sequence. Removing space guard and mass. Now go! Activate the switches. Removing space guard and mass sinking now. I am so hardcore. Wait until my HoloNet girlfriend hears about this. She's gonna want to meet me in person. Removing space guard and mass sinking now. Good job. You've broken into high-security installations before, haven't you? Removing space guard and mass sinking now. Nice work. Hey, you're pretty good on those things. Removing space guard and mass sinking now.
Got it.
Removing space guard and mass sinking now. You did it! Conduit is ionized. You should be able to slingshot over the plaza and into Pollock's Industries.
Good work, Ratchet.
Hey, what about me? We're part of the same guild, aren't we?
You did well too, Jarvis. But I still need you to talk me through that last defense grid.
All right, General. Bring up a command prompt and type in override code 71218#7.
Got it. Thanks, Jarvis. This is it. Our only way into the building. Last chance to back out.
Age before beauty, General.
Wise guy, just like your father. Follow me! You made it. Come on. The main office is this way.
Attention, your bioscan reveals 2 long boxes in main server room. Mobilizing all units.
Blasted bioscans. You take the left, I'll cover the right.
The chief